Hi students, this is Chennai KC English teacher. Dear children, today I am going to explain video lesson 4, reading A part 4. Before I am going to explain this one, I would like to tell you one thing here. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. In the previous grammar video lesson 3, I explained from 3 to 4 pages middle. Now I am going to explain from 4th page to 5th page middle of the page from the first lesson, the country mouse and the town mouse lesson. All of you open your textbook, see the 4th page. I will read the lesson and I explained it all. See. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm to search for food. We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugar cane. See here in these two paragraphs. The next morning, when the town mouse got up, usually everything will be set ready, like bread and jam, fruits, different tiffins. But in the village side, people use different forms in the morning, don't have much time to cook. So, what do they do? They just cook the food more during the night itself, okay, so that in the morning again they could not spend extra time for cooking. They eat same food in the morning. That's why the country mouse said, okay cousin, let's go to the near by the farm for searching food. Now again the town mouse is offered and is said, a nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugar cane. Okay. See the next two paras. See, but the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter. See, here, but the town mouse had enough, then say thank you. Thanks to country mouse because he wanted to catch the next train to home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something, said the town mouse. Actually, he did not like to stay here more. That's why he went to his town. A few days later, country mouse wrote a letter to the town mouse. Here is the letter. Let us see the letter. Now I will read the letter. See, observe carefully, children. Mouse Hole, Mouse Country, 22 March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, Country Mouse. To address, Town Mouse, Kitchen Cupboard, Mouse Town. See, after a few days later, the country mouse wrote a letter to the town mouse. He said that I was hoping you are well. I would like to visit your town. I would like to visit your town because you are not well. and make sure you are all right. See, next two lines. Observe textbook. See, I will read. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is the telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. See here, when the town mouse received the letter from the country mouse, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is the telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. Okay, dear students, here we want to know the difference between telegram and letter. In the letter, as we see on the above letter, is just a piece of paper and we can write as much as we want and post it with postal stamps. Okay, see, but telegram is some more difference. Telegram, when you send to others, they will charge you number of the words you write. Telegram is also medium of communication, just like a letter, but the telegram verifying the information in the short way. Nowadays telegram service has stopped. See the telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. It's a simple telegram. Okay, next I will read two paras. See, observe your textbook. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. And what is the dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. See here. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised to see the noise and lights. That's why he asked the town mouse, why are there lights even in the middle of the night? Then the town mouse replied that is the traffic. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. See, next paragraph, next three paragraph I will read. Listen carefully and observe it. But the country mouse did not like it all. All this noise has made my headache, he said. Could I have some water to drink? Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. See here, observe this three paragraphs. I will explain. See here that country mouse discomfort and did not like it all because of the noise has made headache. So he asked some water to drink. On that situation, the town mouse said to the country mouse, oh, my dear cousin, why only water? Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? But the country mouse simply said, I want some water and some food only. Okay. Okay, children, once more you watch this video and understand the lesson, then you like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you.